In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp Docs. By the end, you'll be comfortable creating a new doc, naming it, mentioning teammates, adding visuals, and speeding things up with templates, all inside your ClickUp workspace. Start by opening your ClickUp workspace in your browser and signing in as you normally would. Once you're in, look to the left-hand sidebar. That's your main navigation. If the sidebar is collapsed, hover near the edge or click the expand icon so you can see all options clearly. Find Docs in that left menu and select it. This takes you to the central spot where all your team's documents live, so you can browse existing ones or create something new. To create a document, click New Doc. A fresh, blank page will open instantly, ready for you to start typing. Think of this like your team's shared notebook, ideal for meeting notes, project briefs, process docs, or anything you want to reference alongside your tasks and projects. Give your doc a clear, descriptive title at the top. A good title makes it easy to find later through search and helps teammates recognize what it's for at a glance. If you want to bring someone's attention to the doc or a specific line inside it, type the @ symbol and start entering their name. Choose the right person from the suggestions to mention them. This is a quick way to notify teammates and keep the conversation tied to the exact context in the document without jumping to chat or email. You can make your doc more engaging by adding images and icons. Drop in a screenshot or diagram to explain a process. Then resize it by dragging the corners so it fits your layout. If you're adding images that convey important information, include a short caption so readers know what they're looking at. You can also set a doc icon or cover to make it stand out visually in the docs list, which is especially helpful when your workspace has lots of documents. To move even faster, use templates. When you choose a template, ClickUp will load a pre-structured page like a meeting agenda, a project brief, or a knowledge base article so you don't have to build from scratch. Preview a few, pick the one closest to what you need, then tweak the headings, example text, and formatting to match your team's style and requirements. That's it. Open your workspace, head to Docs, create a new doc, name it, and @mention teammates, enrich it with images and icons, and save time with templates. You're ready to make organized, collaborative documents in ClickUp.